Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ShipStation with Squarespace. If you're running an online store and want to streamline your shipping process, connecting these two platforms will help you manage orders, print labels, and track shipments all in one place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage. Simply click on the website where you want to integrate ShipStation. This will open up that specific site's management area, giving you access to all the tools and settings you need to customize how your store operates. Next, look over to the left side menu. You'll notice several options displayed vertically. Find and click the gear icon, which represents the settings section. Clicking this icon will open up all the configuration options for your website, including integrations, commerce settings, and various other tools that help you manage your site effectively. Once you're in the settings area, stay on the left side panel and scroll down until you find an option labeled third-party tools. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for connecting external services and apps to your Squarespace site. In the search bar that appears, type ShipStation and then click on it when it shows up in the results. This is where you'll establish the connection between your store and ShipStation's shipping management system. After selecting ShipStation, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click it. This action initiates the integration process and tells Squarespace that you want to link your store to ShipStation's platform. Once you click Connect, the page will redirect you to the ShipStation website. This is a necessary step because ShipStation needs to verify your identity and permissions. If you already have a ShipStation account, simply log in with your existing credentials. If you're new to ShipStation, you'll need to sign up for an account first. Just follow the prompts on the screen to complete the registration process. After you've successfully logged in or signed up, the integration will automatically be completed. ShipStation will sync with your Squarespace store, pulling in your orders and allowing you to manage all your shipping needs directly from the ShipStation dashboard. You'll now be able to process orders, print shipping labels, and track packages without having to manually enter information. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ShipStation with your Squarespace website, and you're all set to start managing your shipping more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.